Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video. This video I'm going to be showing you something slightly different. I was asked a question over on Facebook about how to get the fog lights to turn on and off. So you didn't, without the needing of to turn your headlights on. So during the day when all your lights are off, you can have them turned on separately. It's an easy little upgrade, this one, an easy little mod. This lad on Facebook asked me to do it and show him how to do it. So with that in mind, hit that subscribe button if you like the content. Give us a thumbs up, and if you're a new viewer, do just that, and if you're a returning viewer, give us a thumbs up. This is a fairly straightforward modification. You can do it from your accessory wire, so when you put your key in and turn it all on, all your fog lights will come on. It's a similar sort of process to putting daylight running lights in. You just need power and ground. And so I'm just going to show you what wires are which. In the description there will be what pins and what numbers and what colour the wires are, and there's up in the cards here there will be another video where it shows you what accessory wires you need if you want to have them turn on with your accessory wires and so forth. So without further ado, let's crack on. So firstly, for this project you need to take your headlight switch out. So you remove the lower panel here, just this little section here, put your hand up behind it and pop it out from behind. If I come down, put my hand up and slide it out. So let me quickly explain what he's trying to do, this lad's trying to do. What he's trying to do is, so you to turn your fog lights on, you normally go like that and pull out, and it normally turns your lights on, your fog lights on. But he don't want to do that, he wants to have them running on a separate switch, like so. Any sort of switch will do. So what we do is pull this out. It's the third wire along, it's the green and orange one, and for the sake of this video, just to show you how to work it, I'm going to be using the red power wire on the back, which is this one here. So let's crack on and do that and put the switch in. So this lad's asked me about this mod, right? So what I've done is I've done a mock-up. I've got the switch with some wiring on it. So basically that's what he wants to do. He wants to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap one side into the red. Okay, so that's at your 12 volt in, and that's permanently on. And then I'm going to go into the other side, which is the green and orange stripe. And then get my switch in that window over there, this one right here. Okay, you'll be able to see the reflection of the fog lights as I turn them on. Okay, so just to prove it, try and get the window in shot as well as the switch. And there is nothing else on in the car whatsoever, and that is because the line coming into this is permanent 12 volt. So as you can see, that's quite simple. It's just them two what you want to tap into and put that switch in line, but make sure you turn it off when you get out of the car, otherwise they're going to be turned on all the time. But what I recommend to do is maybe tap that into an accessory wire behind the dash. Up in the cards here, sorry I got a bit of wind today, up in the cards here there'll be a link to another video of mine where it shows you what accessory wire you can tap into on the ignition. So when you put your keys in, turn it all on, they'll be permanently on. But this lad asked specifically what he could do with it, so he could use them on a toggle switch. There you go. Hope that helps anyone out. Hope it helped the lad out. I'm sorry, but I can't remember your name, so I do apologise. But as always, if you like my videos, just hit that subscribe button. You don't know what it means. It helps the channel and it helps it grow some more. So that's just a simple little upgrade. I personally, I would have this run into my accessory wire. So if you're running it, basically what you want to do from your accessory wire, tap into it, splice into it, solder it, scotch lock it or something, and then basically just run it from that line over to the wire that turns on your front fog lights, the green and orange stripe. In the description there is the pin numbers and the color codes for each wire. And I just hope you found this useful. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.